This lesson is using the butterfly method to add and to subtract fractions. Let's take a look at this butterfly. You'll notice that it has wings, it has the body, and then it has the antennae. Well, that same model can be used when you're adding fractions with unlike denominators. First, we can draw the wings, and then we can draw the body, and then finally the antennae. The body down below is using the denominators and finding the product of the two. In this case, it would be 4 times 5, which is 20. Next, we're going to do cross multiplication, and that would be the wing part of the butterfly. So we have 5 times 1, and the product is 5. 4 times 3, and the product is 12. Again, we're adding, so we're going to take those two products, 5 and 12, and find the sum, which is 17, and simply take the 20 over. And that's how you do butterfly addition. It works basically the same way when you're subtracting. Again, we're going to have our wings, the body, and the antennae. We have 5 times 3, which is 15. Next, cross multiplication. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. But this time, remember, we're finding the difference between the two fractions. So we have 12 minus 10, and that's 2. And we have that over 15. So the difference of 4/5 and 2/3 is 2/15. The last example is one where the fractions can be simplified or reduced. And it is recommended to do that before you use the butterfly method. And one way of looking at this is thinking about a number that we can multiply and come up with the other numbers. In other words, 3 times 1 gives me 3, and 3 times 4 gave me a 12. Well, 3 and 3 are one whole, so they cancel out, and we're left with 1/4. So that's the simplified or reduced version. It's very much similar to dividing each number. It's just another way of looking at it. That's all. So over here, 2 times 1 gave me a 2, and 2 times 3 would give 6. So again, we get rid of the 2 and we work with 1/3. Brings us to setting up our butterfly method. We have 4 times 3, which is 12. We cross multiply 3 and 4, and we end up adding. So our sum is 7/12. And that is the butterfly method.